Hello everybody and welcome back to our video. In today's video, I reached 18 subscribers and literally I'm pretty happy because I was stuck on like 17 subscribers for quite a while now. Now I haven't been active. I haven't been active in like a couple of months now. Now I made a video, but I decided to remove it since really it didn't help. So it just made more nonsense, but you get it still. It's really not what I want, but still, anyway, I reached 18 subscribers. Now I will give you guys some really fun stuff. So yeah. First thing, I'm giving you guys a free Discord username. Link in the description if you want it. Next up is also we get to play Book It Sunday night. So I'll leave a Zoom link in the description. I'll leave a Zoom link in the description. And now, yeah, I will leave the before I'm not gonna have the waiting list on because I don't think I really need it. I don't need the waiting list, but basically, yeah. Now, finally, I wanted to say, yeah, that's pretty much everything. Now I will give you a link to some unique Roblox usernames, which I'll leave a link in the description too. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.